The storm came ashore here in the Panhandle. Landfall, the eye wall actually occurred in Mexico Beach. It basically looks like a 40-mile wide tornado came through and just destroyed a part of the state. These are relatively rural counties. A lot of these shelters right now are overwhelmed and they do not have sewer system, so there's sewage backup and they don't have access to power. We'll have 2 hospital decompression teams and then 4 nurse strike teams. They've forward staged urban search and rescue teams along the coastline. Behind them, staged at a nearby shelter, are 5 ambulances. One of those ambulances is always forward deployed with that urban search and rescue team. And so what they do is the urban search and rescue plucks people out of the water, stick them in an ambulance, they bring them back to what they're calling casualty collection points, which is co-located with a shelter. And then from there, they transport them to definitive care. It's basically a continuum of care. In this area, fuel is really tight. And so there's establishing support bases with fuel depots. Florida was pretty clear that the teams going into this area, as it's pretty austere conditions, and we should be prepared for that.